Video 300, we're on to the next playlist because we can only have 100 videos per playlist. So the next playlist for this channel, Kanji Coder, it's going to be here. So tinyurl.com/bomb-playlist-004. That's where you want to go for the next playlist on the Kanji Coder channel if you like these short videos. If you want something a little bit longer, the 10-minute videos are on tinyurl.com/boom-playlist-004, and this will take you to the Ninja Coder playlist. Now, these playlists are on YouTube, but to give them nice little URLs, I made tiny URLs for them. Right now, you can get the source code for this video right here, which will contain these links in the top. And there's not really any changes besides these comments and then the comments down here. So here's what we did previously, and then the comments down here, kind of explaining that videos 301 to 400 are going to be on playlist number 4. Kind of like how, the 2000s are the 21st century, and we have a little explanation of that. This always confuses the hell out of me as well, so don't feel bad if that confuses you. So we have a little bit of time, so let's go draw some shit while we have some time to make you get interested in this. Or oh god, we're gonna crash our shader. So we're trying to optimize this shader right now because this shader takes up way too many resources. Takes up too many resources, and it keeps on crashing our goddamn GPU, which it seems to be crashing right now. And hell, man, it's like, why? Why do you do this to me? Why? So let's try to refresh. So we're gonna optimize this in the next playlist, and we're going to make it 21 times faster, and we're gonna make it better looking. So let's zoom in here. Let's just throw some stuff down. Bam, bam, bam. Look, some stuff. Okay, let's throw some different stuff down. Oh yeah, look at that. That's pretty cool. All right. Ooh, look at that. Oh, things getting interesting, right? Oh yeah, we can throw this down. Right? We can throw a lot of cool stuff down, and we can make a lot of cool stuff happen. But we're probably getting out of time here. But you can see that we got something cool going on here. And we can make it a lot better graphically, and we can speed it up by 21 times. Yes, 21 times is what I told you. So, with that said, you've been on video number 300. I'll see you in the next playlist. Like and subscribe.